So today's topic is integration. First things first. When we were doing differentiation, we're solving questions in differentiation. We had that if y is equal to x raised to power n, we had to say that dy dx is nx n minus 1. So that is for differentiation. But in this case, now integration is we are talking about how to get y back. So in differentiation, we had to differentiate y to get nx n minus 1. But in integration, if you have something like this, y, we have something like this now, y equal to something like this, x raised to power n dx. We are told to differentiate x raised to power n dx. It's going to be different. What you are going to do here now, you will have to add 1 to this and to give you x raised to power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. So whenever you have this now, you have this sign that looks like S that you are seeing here. Now this sign that looks like S here is known as the integral sign. So whenever you are integrating, you will need to add 1. But whenever you are differentiating, you are subtracting 1, n minus 1. And whenever you are integrating, you have n plus 1 over n plus 1. So in this case now, you're having x raised to power n dx. So all I just did is to say we have the x raised to power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. Okay, so situation where you now have something like y equal to 10x raised to power 3 plus 3x. Now, if you have y equal to 10x raised to power 3 plus 3x, and you're told to integrate it, it will give you 10x. You will add 1 to 3, then you divide this by 3 plus 1, then plus this side you have 3x. You will add 3x. This 3x you are seeing here now is 3x. Here now is 10x 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1. Then plus this part you are seeing here is 3x raised to power 1. Then you add 1 to it. Then under here you have 1 plus 1. So you will reduce this, and this will give you equal to 10x raised to power 4 over 4 plus 3x raised to power 2 over 2. Then every time you must add c. Now this c you are seeing here is known as a constant. This c you are seeing here is known as a constant, and this constant is to tell you that there is actually a number. So there can be a number or a value which you don't know. So a number or value that you don't know can be c. You don't know. So this c now, you can either use plus c or you can say plus k. So it can either be plus c or plus k. Then in this case, you see that this 4 here, 2 can go. 2 here, 2 into 4 is 2, and 2 into 10 is 5. So what you have here is 5x raised to power 4 over 2. 10x, that's 5x raised to power 4 over 2 plus 3x raised to power 2 over 2 plus c is our final answer. So if they tell you now to integrate this now, you just have to add 1 to it, and you will get your answer easily. You understand? So just take note of it and you will get your answer. When we were solving questions under differentiation back then, under differentiation we have that when we differentiate sine x, so if you differentiate y equal to, for example, y is equal to sine x, you have to find dy dx. Dy dx will give you cos x. So if you differentiate sine x, will give you cos x. Now y equal to cos x, you are told to differentiate cos x. Dy dx will give you minus sine x. Now if you have y equal to sec square x, you have to find dy dx. Dy dx will give you if y is tan x, this is tan x. If y is tan x, dy dx will give you sec square x. So in this case, you see what happened now. What we are doing now with integration is backward. So we know that y will get dy dx. Now we are saying let's use dy dx to get what? Y. That's the difference between differentiation and integration. We know dy dx, we know y. We use y to get dy dx. Why not use this dy dx you got to get y? That's what integration is all about. So we are going back. It's a reverse function. I can call it a reverse function. So in this place now that you have sine x gave you cos x. So if you integrate cos x, what will you get? Sin x. So now integration from what we have now, if we integrate cos x, it will give you sin x. But if you integrate sin x, it will give you minus cos x. Yes, good evening. If you integrate sin x, it will give you minus cos x. Then in this case we have sec square x. If you integrate sec square x, it will give you tan x. So in this place now you have cos x. Integrate cos x, give you sin x. Integrate sin x, give you minus cos x. Integrate sec square x to give you cos. It will give you tan x. Then integrate, as you can see now, I have a question like this. The first thing is we just take note that dy is equal to 30x squared dx. So it's always going to be in this direction. So now to integrate this, like I said, if you have x raised to power n, what is going to give you is x raised to power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. So in this case, all you just need to do is to say 30x squared. You will add 1 over 2 plus 1 plus c. So what's 30? 30x 3 over 3 plus c. Now 3 here 1, 3 here 10. What do you have left? 10x raised to power 3 plus c. So if you integrate 30x squared, all you just need to do is to add 1 to 2. Add 1 to 2, what will it give you? 3. And that's what we give you. Give you 10x raised to power 3 over 10x raised to power 3, because this 3 cancelled 3, cancelled 30 there to give you 10. So your answer will give you 10x raised to power 3 plus c. So never forget to add your c to this. So let's say we want to integrate this now. Let's say we want to integrate 15x squared. Now if we have 15x squared dx, all you just do is to say 15x 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 plus c. And this will give you 15x raised to power 3 over 3 plus c. 3 here 1, 3 here 5. So what you have is 5x raised to power 3 plus c. So that's what will give you 5x raised to power 3 plus c. If you still have this other one to dy equal to 40x raised to power 4 dx. Good evening, sir. So this will give you 40x raised to power 4. This 4 here is plus 1. You add 1 to it over 4 plus 1. Now this will give you 40x. 4 plus 1 is 5 over 5. 5 here 1. 5 into 40 is 8. Case is 8x raised to power 5 plus c. So take note, 40x raised to power 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1. What was 4 plus 1? 5. Then what you have here is 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. So you have 40x raised to power 5 over 5. 5 here 1. 5 into 40 is 8. We have 8x raised to power 5 plus c. So take note of these points. It's very much easy to understand. So like I said, then also another part is, if we go back to our knowledge now, we have a question now. Let's try and see how we can integrate this question now. We have x squared plus 3x minus 5 dx. To solve this question is very simple. We'll just take it step by step. Take note that this 3x here is 3x raised to power 1. Take note. So all you just need to do is you will have x squared plus 1 over 2 plus 1 plus 3x raised to power 1 plus 1, because you always add 1. Then you have 1 plus 1. Then in this case you have minus 5. Now take note, in indices, if you go back to indices, if you have x raised to power 0, x raised to power 0 is 1. So in this case that we're having minus 5. Minus 5 is minus 5 x raised to power 0. So in this case here you are seeing minus 5. It is minus 5 x raised to power 0. So what will you do? Just come here and say minus 5x 0 plus 1 over 0 plus 1 plus what? C. So this will give you x raised to power 3 over 3 plus 3x raised to power 2 over 2 minus 5x raised to power 1, because 0 plus 1 is 1 over 1 plus c, to give you x raised to power 3 over 3 plus 3x raised to power 2 over 2 minus 5x plus c. That's what it will give you. So so these are some of the ways you solve questions like this. So you see this part now, x raised to power 3 over 3